Hi guys, welcome to my channel Geography with Nandunath. Today I talk about the very relevant question model NTA NET 2020 Geography, and there are very important today. Their first question for you for the NTA NET Geography, some model question that will very help. I want explain here. The concept of geosyncline was founded by, there are the four options: Holmes, James Hutton, and Hall and Dana, and four option J.W. Powell. This is very important, is type of question in NTA. Most probably this answer is Hall and Dana. Next question, there are the second question. The term cosmography was coined and divided into aeronography and geography by Ritter, Pascal, and Humboldt, Varenius. These are very important question in type of question. Same type are again repeat their question. There are the answer is Humboldt. And next question number 3, ice crystal theory related to precipitation was postulated by Moore, Brown, Bergen, and Boven. This is the answer is 3, Bergen. Next question, the question number 4, the subsidence theory related to the coral reef was propounded by. There are many times NTA NET and UGC NET are questioned. There are the subsidence theory related coral reef. You know the coral reef subsidence theory is founded Darwin. Definitely the answer is Darwin, option 2. And next question number 5, their Gutenberg discontinuity is found between the number 1 crust and mantle and core. You know there are the answer is mantle and core. Right, mantle and core. And next question, their concept of peneplain was propagated by peneplain. You know C.A. Cotton, Van Riethofen, and Kriegme and Alfred van Wagner. You know this very important question. There are answer is Kriegme. Their concept peneplain was propagated by the. These are option 4 option here. Their answer is 3, Kriegme. And next question, their question number 7, the direction of horizontal line on an inclined rock strata is termed as strike, deep, anticline, and free face. Absolutely, this answer is strike. And question number 8, there, who is one of the following scholar is the proponent of the turbidity currents theory on the origin of submarine canyons? Very important question, this type of question for oceanography. And there are the option is Celine and George and Daly and Harry Hen, and definitely this answer is Daly. And next question, there are Peter Noster lakes. You know Peter Noster lakes, such as the different type lakes on the world, but here the Peter Star lakes are definitely their optional lake form on glacial stairways, a lake having the volcano origin, a lake formed by a shallow stretch of water caused by sea erosion, and crescent there are shaped lakes formed due to cutoff of river meander. Here is very important question for the 9 number of question. There are the definitely their answer lakes formed on the glacier stairways. Answer is 1, the lakes form on glacial stairways. And question number 10, the present in the key to the past. Very common term, the present in the key to the past. And this phase is related to the concept of isostasy, diastrophism, plate tectonics, uniformitism. This is very common related option. It is very important for you. Must will remember and must will question read again and again when you will examination hall. Must will question read again and again. This question is answer definitely uniformitism question, and option 4 option, these are definitely answer uniformitism. And next question, which one of the following instrument is used for determination of degree of stability or instability of air vessel? These are the option: viscometer, radiosonodus, sonar, and pH meter. You know, there are the question with the following instrument is used for determination of degree of stability or instability of an air parcel. Air parcel stability and instability. These are definitely their question answer is radiosonodus.
Question number 12.
And next question,
given
there are
below are the two statement, one level as the assertion and reason. This very important type of question, NTA NET 2020, and this type of question every year again and again. There are Antarctica is constantly snow covered, but revise less than 8 centimeter annual precipitation, and their reason constant speedy winds and below in Antarctica. And there the question assertion is true, and our reason their constant speedy wind below in Antarctica, both are true, but R is not correct expression of A, so their answer is 2. Question number 12. And next there are question number 13, who is one of following type of flat boundary or motion for exemplified by the San Andreas fault of California. You know, there are the option transform boundary and celestial motion, and transform boundary with dexterrial motion. Their answer is 2. There are the transform boundary with dexterrial motion. And next there are the question number 14. There are the match list 1 the Thunthwaite temperature province, and list 2 there are the index value. So there are definitely their match their A and their option. And mesothermal is the mesothermal is 64 to 127, and microthermal is the 30 to 63 index value, and taiga is the 16 to 31. So definitely their option is 3. There are the correct answer is 3. Question number 14. And question number 15, who is one of the following latitude is known as the clams of Cancer, and definitely these are answer is 25 degree north, option 3rd. And next
there are match list 1 and with the list 2, and select the correct answer from the code begin below. And list 1 there are the instrument name, and some of the list 2 measured only, such as the sling, psychometer, and pediometer, and spectrometer, and cyanometer. And very interesting, there are the question number 16. Definitely you know there are sling, psychometer, there are the relative humidity measured by relative humidity, and pediometer definitely there are the distance, measurement of distance, and spectrometer definitely there are the radiant energy, and D there are the cyclometer, these are the option is soil density. So definitely this answer is 2. And there are the next question. The American climatologist C.W. Thunthwaite revised the scheme of classification of world climate in who is one of the following years. There, there are C.W. Thornthwaite. As my video, there are the climate classification. Definitely must will was, and I will provide my video description link, climate classification by Thornthwaite. So here the question, C.W. Thornthwaite revised the scheme of classification of world climate in who is one of the following years. Very important. Definitely there are answer is 1948. 1948 Thornthwaite revised to the scheme of classification of the world climate. Answer is 4.
Question number 18, there are correlations and tidal and friction and resistance and their source. Very interesting question, and there must select the correct answer from the quote given their correlations and tidal, friction, resistance. That definitely there the correlations means their earth rotation, and there are tidal means earth's gravity, and friction there are topographic difference, and resisting basically there are the static state. So option definitely there are 4 is the correct answer, question number 18. And question number 19, there the match again, decomposition and transpiration, respiration, photosynthesis, and their outcome of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and CH4 and water vapor. So must carefully read, and there are the question are match list 1 and list 2 given there are this question, and their option the decomposition, basically decomposition for methane CH4, option 3rd, and transpiration means there are water vapor, option 4, and respiration means there are the carbon dioxide gas, and photosynthesis there are the option oxygen, and so definitely their answer is 19. Answer is
question. Definitely must be carefully read question again and again. The monsoon of southern and eastern Asia, driven by the location and size of the Asian landmass, and it is approximately of the Indian Ocean. This is very interesting question. The monsoon of southern and eastern Asia, driven by the location and size of the Asian landmass, and it is proximity to the Indian Ocean. This is the correct, right? Both are A is true, and definitely there are reason the wind and pressure pattern in the upper air circulation are associated with generation of monsoonal flows. So both are definitely so definitely there are answer is option 1. Both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of A. So 20 this question, and next question there are 21 there are the match question. The 21 question match this list 1. There are the ocean trench and depth in meter, and my video there are the YouTube my video channel there I will already here video about ocean currents and about ocean trench, and must will was my channel. There are the different lecture on this topic, and here the lecture here the question definitely there are the ocean range Tunga and Turlin, Kamchatka, and Philippine and Romanch, and there are very interesting depth is definitely depth in meter, and suppose there are the Tunga and Kamchatka and Philippines and Romanch, these are the trench, and definitely there are the Tunga is 10880 their depth, and there are the highest in this contest of option, and Kuril Kamchatka is the 10500 option 4, and the Philippines definitely 10540. So there are answer is definitely option 2. There are the Romanch basically they are 7760. So answer is option 2. And next question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22. Who is one of following is the main source for a vast reservoir of relatively inert nitrogen in homosphere? This is very important. And the volcanic activities, fossil fuel burning, acid rain, global warming. And definitely this answer is volcanic activities. Option is A. And the next question, there are the in which of the following direction the Najaka plate is moving? Najaka plate is moving east, west, south, north. Najaka plate, definitely there are the moving Najaka plate eastern side. The answer is east, option 1. And next the 24, question number 24. Who is one of the following sequence is correct, and one in a lateral zone from land to sea? And definitely there are the option backshore, foreshore, nearshore, offshore. And 2, there are the foreshore, backshore, and the nearshore and offshore. And 3, there are offshore, nearshore, and foreshore and backshore. So this type of question were confused. Sometime the student confused, and definitely here are continuously there are backshore and foreshore and nearshore and offshore. This is the correct answer. Option 1 is the continuous sequence, the correct sequence of lateral zone from the land to sea, backshore, foreshore, and nearshore and offshore. Definitely their answer is 1. And next their question number 25. The given below there are the some assertion and reason. Same again type of question. In the low latitude, sea water in the deep cold zone does not freeze. There are the question repeat again. Must will read again and again. Assertion: in low latitude, sea water in the deep cold zone does not freeze. This is the true, but there are the deep sea region. The deep sea water does not remain under intense pressure because of its high salinity. But R is not true. R is false. So there are the option is the quote 3. There are the A is true but R is false. There are definitely their answer is 3. Question number 6. Who is one of the following is not correct? Average range of the world with variation in the sea water salinity. Very interesting question. Sometime again and again NTA NET, UGC NET, their question here that the salinity, sea water salinity variation. There are the range 34 to 37, 27 to 29, 37 to 39, 21 to 26. So there are the definitely the correct answer is 34% to 37%. And next question, there are the assertion and reason. And again read carefully. There are the energy flow shift from production, and respiration in the entropic stage, and with oxygen demand existing oxygen availability. Okay, and next there are reason: stratospheric ozone layer depletion cause skin disease. So there are the not A is true but are not proper explain reason. So there are the both there are true. Stratospheric ozone layer depletion due to skin disease, this is true. Both are true but are not correct explanation of A. So definitely their answer is 2. Answer is 2. Both are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. So there are the next question 28. Question number 28. There are the who is one of the following groups of natural elements in living matter make up more than 99% of the earth biomass? Definitely there are the answer is 1 HOC. And question number 29, which one of the following phenomena play a vital role in the dispersion of majestic dinosaurs? And definitely there are answer is there are the continental drift concept, continental drift, correct answer is continental drift. Not there are global cooling, zonal faulting, volcanic eruption. This is the correct answer, continental drift. Question number 30, there are the question number 30, the UN Conference on Environment and Development held Rio de Janeiro during June 3 to 14, 1992 was chaired by. So there are the definitely there are the June 3 to 14, 1922 was chaired by 31 their match, and decaying plants and volcano and ocean and forest fire. So there are the emitters and emitted products. There are the carbon monoxide, salt spray, and hydrogen sulfide and sulfur oxide. So carefully here are the first option, decaying plants. There are the decaying plants are hydrogen sulfide, and volcano definitely sulfur oxide, emitted products sulfur oxide, and ocean basically salt spray, option C is 2, and there are forest fire basically carbon monoxide. So definitely answer is 2. And question number 32, who among the following scholars laid down the foundation of the dichotomy of general versus species geography? Very important question. There are the 98. These are answer is 1 Varenius. Definitely their answer is 3. And next question, there are the which of the following pairs does not match. Carefully listen, which the following pair does not match. These are option 1 Almasudi, and here Rutter and Relevance, Al-Blaki, there are Kitabil Asbal, Al-Biruni, Kitabil Hind, and Al-Makhadum. There are the Makuddima. So definitely there are the answer is there are following pair does not match. So definitely their answer is 1, option 1. There Almasudi, not the Rutter and Relmats. So and next question, there are the 34. There are hydraulic slope theory was propounded by. Definitely their answer is 1, R.E. Hutton. And next question, their question number 35, who among the following scholar emphasize on the behavioral approach in geography? Very important type of question, again NTA NET and UGC NET. Who among the following scholars emphasize on the behavioral approach in geography? Definitely this question answer is 2. There are Crick. And next question, question number 36, which one of the following the correct sequence of the German geographer contribute to the development of geographical thought? Very common question. Every time there are NTA NET and UGC NET with the following correct sequence. Carefully read again and again question. There are question number 36, and option is the correct sequence is 3. There are the Fassel, Radgel, Hednar, and Troll. Definitely there are the option 2 and 3 very rated of this option, but there are the Parcel and Radgel, next Hednar and Troll. So definitely this answer is 3. So there are the next question, question number 37. The same environmental creates different meaning to people with different way of living and culture, and this statement is related to which one of the following concept? And definitely this concept is possibilism. Yes, this concept is possibilism. Answer is 3. And 38, and which school of thought first developed the idea of possibilism? First developed idea of possibilism? Which school? Definitely there are the answer is French school. Question number answer is 4. And question number 39, the dominant idea of all geographical process is that of terrestrial unity. This is the statement is attributed to, definitely this answer is Vidal de la Blas. Option is 2. So next question, there are who is one among the following perspectives was responsible for radical transformation in the spirit and purpose of geography? And this is very important and very interesting question and common question for every time NTA and UGC NET. And there are answer is 4, quantification. And next question, there are 41, who is one of the following state in India recorded the lowest sex ratio as per 2011 census? Very interesting question. Read again. India record the lowest sex ratio as per 2011 census. Question number 41. This answer is West Bengal. West Bengal, the lowest sex ratio as per 2011 census. And definitely the next question, there question number 42, who is one of the following countries recorded highest population density? Very interesting. Highest population density as per UN demographic yearbook, as per UN demographic yearbook 2010. Highest population density, these are correct answer is Bangladesh. Yes, Bangladesh. Option is 3. And next their question, who is one of following statement there are the correctly depict the threshold according to central place model? Central place model, definitely there are the very interesting question. Question number 43, and there are correct answer is read again. There are the question, recorded sex ratio higher than 950 according to year 2011 census. So definitely there are answer is correct. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Telangana. There Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Telangana is the recorded sex ratio higher than 950 according to 2011 census. Definitely this answer is 1. And next question, who is one of the following models is explained by the given figure below? There are the market and threshold and range, and 3 there are the option is Weber model, central place model, von Thunen model and gravity model. Question number 45, they are very interesting type of question, market, threshold and range. Market, threshold and range, definitely there are center place model. Okay. Next question, who is one of the following code is correctly predicting the pattern of distribution of population among cities by D curve in the given graph? Definitely here we'll mention there are the population and there are the rank. And so their question, pattern distribution the population among the cities by D curve, is in the given the graph population city. So there are the answer is chain this type of match list 1 and list 2. There are the settlement alignment, there are different type of diagram, and there are the settlement pattern. Which diagram? These are the match A and this list. There are the option is here 1 2 3 4. There are the question number 47. 47 there are definitely there are the first A option drawing. There are the symbol is liner settlement. A is definitely 3, and there are the B there are the figure. B there are the figure is type of definitely there are the clustered. So 4, and C definitely their answer is star shape, and D basically there are uniform. So these are the correct answer is 2. And next question number 48. Question number 48, Which one of the following statement indicates to the potential use of service at and a location according to gravity model? Carefully listen the question, read and again, and these are the option: direct relationship to both population size and distance, and inverse relationship to both population size and distance, and direct relationship to population size and inverse relationship to distance. So there are the answer is, correct answer is option 3, direct relationship to population size and inverse relationship to distance. And question number 49, there are the match list A and list B. Their demographic term cohort, natural increase, and total fertility rate and dependency ratio. Very interesting question. There are the A cohort basically a population group unified by a specific common characteristics. These are cohort. So there are A match 2 and natural increase. Natural increase definitely there are the birth rate minus death rate. And C total fertility rate. Total fertility rate basically average number of children that a woman will bear and have her child bearing years. And dependency ratio basically there are the measure in the term of number of dependents against the productive age group. So definitely the answer is 2. Their match. And next question, there are the question number 50. Which one of the following group state of India record more than 1/4 of total population of the country in the census year 2011? Very interesting. 1/4 of total population of the country in this census 2011. Definitely our option Uttar Pradesh is correct, and every option there Uttar Pradesh. And next there are the definitely our country more than the 4 total population, there Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Actually their option, another option there Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Gujarat, Haryana and Assam, Punjab. So definitely this correct answer is option 2, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. And next there are the 51 question number, following the scholar who introduced the concept of least transport cost location. Very interesting. Least transport cost location using the frame of locational triangle. These are definitely A. Weber. Correct answer is A. Weber. Option is 4. Next question, their match. Match list 1 and list 2 and they select the correct answer from the code. There are the list 1 and list 1 the economy and feature. There are subsistence economy and commercial economy, intensive subsistence and extensive subsistence. So very interesting. There are the question number 52. 52 there are subsistence economy, basically little exchange of good and only limited need for market. So option is A4. And B there are the commercial economy basically market competition as primary force and shaping the production pattern. So B is 1. And C intensive subsistence economy. C is option self-sufficiency, high production and high population density. So definitely this answer is correct answer. Option is 2. There are the their match extensive subsistence are option 2, their self-sufficiency, low production and low population density. So definitely this question answer is option 2. And next question, very interesting. Which one of the following code is correct showing the number of varieties, gauge and diameter for the given network? Very interesting. There are network are fatigues, is and diameters. This definitely these are question number 53. Our answer is option 2. Their fatigues 10, is 10 and diameter 7. 10, 10, 7 and 10, 10 and 7. This correct answer option is 2. Next their match Wheatless is agriculture region, and definitely there are the commercial dairy farming and commercial grain farming, nomadic farming, nomadic herding and commercial plantation. And I already explained my YouTube channel. There are one video Wheatless agriculture region about. Must will follow and watching my video on this channel. And in this match question number 54, definitely there are the commercial dairy farming is New Zealand, option is 3, and commercial grain farming is Argentina, and nomadic herding option is Mongolia, and commercial plantation definitely there are the Sri Lanka. So their answer is 1. Correct answer is option 1. And next question, who is one of the following factor most dominant in the localization of high-tech farm and Silicon Valley in California? Very interesting question. There are high-tech farming of the Silicon Valley in California, and definitely their option is agglomeration economy. This our correct answer is agglomeration economy, not for high speed, not for access to the market and cheap labor. This is the answer is agglomeration economy. And next the question number 56, the Raymer model for the development of land transport system in less developed economy was dropped in which of the following year? Definitely there are the 1977, option 3. Next question, there are the formula phi is equal to y by yn divided t by tn, and where phi agriculture productivity index, y is equal to total production of the selected crops in the unit area, yn is equal to total production of the same selected crop, and t is equal to total crop area in the total unit, and tn is equal to total crop area and national scale. And who applied this formula measuring the agriculture productivity level? You know, very interesting and common question, and these are formula by NAD. Answer is NAD. This is the correct answer, option 2. Next question, they are match the country and mineral reservoirs. Country, which country and where their mineral reservoir? Number 1 option, there are the Liberia, Guinea, Togo and Niger. The Liberia, there are the Liberia is iron, basically iron, Liberia, and Guinea is bauxite, and Togo is phosphate, and there are the Niger is the uranium. These are correct answer is 2. And next there are the question 59, who is one of the following condition Alfred Weber introduced in his concept of locational triangle? Very interesting. Who is one of the following condition Alfred Weber introduced in this concept of locational triangle? Locational triangle, definitely their option is 4. Both R1 and R2 are fixed and gross. Option is 4 is correct answer. And where the R1 and R2 are 2 raw material, so definitely there are the 4 is correct answer. Both R1 and R2 are fixed and gross. And question number 60, there are the match sector of economy and activities. Primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, very common question. There are the activity, research, endeavors and train service, parcel culture and spinning cotton yarn. Okay, listen again and again, read again and again this question. And there are the list one. There are primary basically there are the partial culture, and the secondary basically spinning cotton yards, and there are the tertiary activities, the train service, and quaternary basically there are the research endeavors. So there are the correct answer is option 2. Option 2 is correct answer. And next there are the question, in which one of the following work did Mackinder in 1919 remained his the theory of fevered area as heartland fevered area? Must you will remember that Mackinder in 1919 remained his theory of fevered area as heartland. So definitely this answer is 2, the democrat ideal and reality. This is the correct answer is 2, the democrat ideal and reality. And question number 62, there are the organic theory of state was propounded by, there are Radgel. Correct answer is Radgel. And question number 63, the book Geography of Peace is author written by Spigman. Correct, Spigman. Answer is 2. And next question, there are 64, who is following the category does shall belong to according to physical safe? So these are the answer is definitely there are the fragmented and elongated. Option is 3, correct answer. Next question.
Question number 65, which work epitomize the relation of political geography with foreign policy? Basically there are option Adolf Hitler, Friedrich Radgel, Mackinder and Karl Haushofer. So there are the definitely their answer is Karl Haushofer. Their option is 4 is the right answer. And there are 66 their match country and official language. And question number 66, the match the list of country different Luxembourg and Algeria, Chile, Kazakhstan, and their Arabic, Russian, French and Spanish. So there question number 46 question number 66 are match. The Luxembourg is the match. There are the French, and Algeria basically Arabic, and Chile basically there are the Spanish language, and Kazakhstan basically there are the Russian official language.
And next there are question match again. There are the name of books and author. Very interesting. Must will practice different name and books in geographical thought. And Human Universal, The Social Conquest of the Earth, and Not by Gene Alone, and Coevolution. These are very latest new for this 2020 NTN8. Must will practice. There are name of author, and definitely these are option Human Universal by 68. There are the in India how many are official recognized languages? And this is very important question. 20. These are the official language. Option is 22. Option is 22. Definitely the answer is 3. And next question, there are match again. There are the religious community and population share. Very interesting. Christian, Buddhist, Sikh and Jain, and their percentage 1.7, 0.4, 2.3 and 0.7. These are population share percentage 2011. So they are definitely their option must will match. There are the Christian is 2.3% of the population share, and Buddhist definitely 0.7%, and Sikh definitely 1.7, and last there Jains is definitely 0.4. so their answer is correct answer option 3. And next there are the question very interesting, who is one of the following characteristics features are processed by the Nordic race of India. Nordic race of India. Very interesting. Nordic race of India. Definitely there are option is long stature and long face. Option 4. Long stature and long face. And next there are the very interesting question. Which one of the following statement is not correct about the selection indicator for conducting any study of development process? Okay, there are the option either input or output indicator must be selected, negative and positive indicator must not be clubbed and with other, indicator must emerge out of the concept development defined in the study, indicator of the income and expenditure can be clubbed together. So definitely this answer is option 1, either input or output indicate must be selected. Then again their match, there are the name of city and period of begin plant. Very interesting question. This type must will practice. The name of city Kanchipuram. Here the question Kanchipuram, Jaisalmer, Kodaikanal and Bhilai, and there are the period beginning plant. So there are the Kanchipuram basically ancient time. Again their match, list name of city and period begin being planet. So Kanchipuram definitely there are ancient, and Jaisalmer basically medieval period, and there are the Kodaikanal basically colonial, and last there are the Bhilai post independence. So definitely their answer is correct answer 4. And next there are the assertion and reason. Very interesting question, assertion and reason. And assertion and reason, question number 73. There are the assertion, the partition of India in 1947 provide an impetus for town planning activities in the country, and their reason, the resettlement of displaced person and providing them employment opportunity created a big opportunity before the town planner to construct new town and make provision of amenities and facilities in existing town, especially in North Indian state. Both are true, and R is correct expression of A. So definitely the answer is 1. And next question number 74. Their question, who is one of following criteria was used to demarcate 15 agroclimatic region, and which were accepted by the Planning Commission of India, and to initiate region approach of agricultural planning during the 8 5-year plan. So definitely there are the climate, soil characteristics and rainfall, climate, soil characteristics and water ability, climate, soil characteristic, rainfall and water ability. The match, there are name scholar develop the name delineated planning region, and there are the number of mesoregion. Very interesting. Bhad and Prakash Rao 51. Easy question. P. Sengupta, option B, P. Sengupta 42, and C.S. Chandrasekhar is 35, and V. Nath definitely, and there are 48. So the correct answer 4. And next question there, question number 76. Which one of the following criteria was used to generate the national capital region for planning purpose? So there are the option function unity and physiographic characteristic, functional unity, administrative country and demographic characteristics, functional unity, administrative country and distance from New Delhi, functional unity, physiographic and demographic characteristic and administrative. So definitely answer is 4. Correct answer is 4. Next their match question number 77. Their list economic there are the dimension of development there are economic, social, political and ecological environment and their indicator of development. So definitely there are the question number 77. Economic means agriculture production per hectare. So A option economic match 4. There are agriculture production per hectare. And social definitely there are the option 3 percentage of female literate to total female population. And C there are the political definitely percentage of minority voter to the total minority electorates. So definitely there are the 2 match and the political, and the last there are ecological and environmental. So definitely there are percentage of reclaimed land, total wasteland. So there are the correct answer is 4. Question number 77 answer is 4. And next there are the 78. Which one of the following statement is not true about the concept of development? Is not true. Development is a continuous process, true. Development is multi-phase process, true. Development stand for growth without a change, no. And meaning of development change in time and space, true. So there are answer is option 3. Development stand for growth without a change. And next question there are the 79. Read the following statement. Select the correct answer using the quote given below. Correct answer there are the sequence. What is the correct? A perspective plan may also be termed as long term plan. There are again read A perspective plan may also be termed as long term plan. Correct. And B perspective plans are preferred for a period 20 to 25 years. Say correct. C A perspective plan do not ensure flexibility. No, C is not correct. Perspective plans ensure spatial integration of plan at different hierarchical level. Correct. So answer is 4. A, B and D are correct. Option is 4. A, B and D are correct. And there are the next question number 80. There are the read following statement. Select the correct answer using the quote. There are statement. Summation of the rank and method is best suited to measure development level, and when the data use are highly skewed, and summation of rank method is quite simple and easy to handle, and there are the Z-score method is the robust and most reliable among all the method used to the measure level of development. And next there are use of principal component analysis method should be avoided. Intercorrelation among the different composition of the development weak or doubtful. So definitely there are the question number 80. There A, B and C are correct, D not correct. So answer is 1. A, B, C are correct. And next there are the question. Which one of the following country hold the first rank in commercial diary? Commercial diary, there are the first rank. Definitely there are the answer is USA. USA is the first rank commercial dairy farming. Answer is 1. And 82, there are the question was the following years modern cotton textile will was first all of establishment of Maharashtra. Common question. There are definitely answer is 1854. Option is 2. Next, there match question number 83. There are the name of dam and state. Dam and state, and my channel there are provide all over India canal irrigation and dam. So there are the very interesting question here. The Moirakshi, Mittur, Nagarjun and Hirakund dam. Definitely there are the state. There are question number 83 are Moirakshi dam. There are the West Bengal, and Mittur dam. There Tamil Nadu, and Nagarjun dam. There are the Andhra Pradesh, and Hirakund. Definitely there are the Odisha. So answer is 1. Correct answer is 1. I will provide a lecture video in my channel on this topic, irrigation, canal irrigation of India state wise. There are the every state are explained. There are the dam canal irrigation in our India. So must will watch. And next question number 84, who is one of the following date is correct to the normal withdrawal of the southwest monsoon from the Indian territory. Very interesting question. Sometime there question rise, there are the definitely September 1st. Answer is correct, September 1st, option 1. And next their question, Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh is known for which one of the following are deposit. Guntur district, there are the following architect planner prepared master plan for Chandigarh city. Very interesting question. Chandigarh city, definitely there are Lee Karvasar. Answer is 4, option Lee Karvasar. And the next question, there are the Jharkhand ranked 3rd after which one of the following group of state in the availability of coral reservoir in India. Very interesting question. Coral reservoir in India, definitely there are Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Answer is Odisha and Chhattisgarh, option 2. And there are the another question, Adityapur Special Economic Zone CEZ is famous for. Definitely there are the automobile and auto components. Answer good. There are the option 3. And next their match state and per capital SGDP. This rupees 2015-16. Definitely their match. There are the India has not been able to bridge its trade deficit. This is the true, but reason India export in term of value has been declining. No. So answer is A is true, but R is false. Option 3. Next question number 91. Their match map type. There are the map type and information content. Very interesting question. Sometime, every time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times UGC NET and internet question. Chronochromatic, chromosmatic, and choropleth and isopleth. This map showing the information content. What is the information content? And there are the chromatic. Chromatic basically area distribution by tints. And there are the choroschromatic. Choroschromatic basically option area distribution by symbol. Area distribution by symbol. And see their choropleth. Choropleth, the showing regional variation in distribution by set, basically choropleth. And isodepth, basically showing the imaginary lines join place of equal value. So definitely their answer option is 3 is correct answer. And next there 92, question number 92, the topographical map of 1:50,000 scale. The contour interval is given the 10 meter. Place A is situated on the contour of 2 meter mean sea level, and another place B is located in contour 240 meter and mean sea level. Distance between A and B on the map is 4.0 centimeter. Correct gradient between A and B therefore would be very interesting question. So there are the definitely answer is 1 by 50. 1 by 50, correct answer 1 by 50. And 93, there are the which following quote correct Rn value of the given distribution of 6 settlement of area of Zedley topography. Very interesting, Rn value Zedley topography. There are the option is 0.95, correct answer is 0.95. And next question number 94, which one of the following organization looks after the receiving and processing of remote sensing data in India? Which organization, which the following organization looks after receiving and processing remote sensing data in India? SHAR Center, SDS Center, LPS Center, NRSC Center. Very interesting. Definitely there are answer is NRSC Center, option 4. Next question, which one of the following is correct sequence of the various EMR spectrum bands in an ascending order of wavelength? Very interesting question. Question number 95. So definitely their answer is ultraviolet, blue, green, red, option is 3. And there are the question number 96, assertion and reason that the radar are considered active sensor. Read again. And there are radar are considered active sensor, correct. This sensor detect object and their range using radio waves, correct. So there are option is 1, both are true, and R is the correct solution of A, answer A. And there are next question, there are the set of sample, there are 20 places of mean annual rainfall where random select from the normally distributed universe, and that has mean annual rainfall of 320 centimeter. The sample mean was recorded 250 centimeter stand, and division in 150 centimeter, which is one of the following significant test in the correct of the select sample. So definitely this type of question, there are the t-test, basically answer is t-test, option 4. And next there are the question, are there statistical analysis is frequency distribution of X series and having 6 integers and with missing of x1, and among them the parameter of calculating mean x bar are the sigma fx is equal to 370. So there are the which is equal to 10 and sigma f is equal to 58. So are the x bar is equal to 7.86. Which is one of the following enters approximately correct for the missing xi. So they are calculate automatically here answer. Question number 98 is option 2, 7, and must will calculate. And there are which one of the following equation represent a true mathematical characteristics of the mean. Mean basically here option is 2, sigma summation x minus x bar is equal to 0. Option is 2 is the correct answer. And next there are the there are last question is the there are which one of the following scale is correct measure rank size distribution of settlement, basically nominal, cardinal, ordinal, interval and ratio. Very interesting, last very easy question. Definitely there are answer is ratio. Following the scale correctly measure in the rank size distribution of settlement, ratio is correct answer. So here today I talk about 100 model question for geography NTA, which is NET 2020. Must will practice this type of different type of question related. Must will practice and must will watch my channel. There are different lecture and different topic relevance of NTA NET and geography. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you.